on today's video, I'm taking a look at Scholastic, so let's get started. The first thing you guys have to do is sign in. So on the top right hand side, just sign in. Of course, you guys are new to this, so you do not have an account. Just scroll down and you're going to see create an account. So just tap there. From there, just fill this up. First name, last name, email, confirm your email, create a password and confirm that password, put in your home phone number. Or if you tap here, you can put mobile. Most people, we just mobile, put your phone number in and then tap on next. So for example, so right here, once you fill it out, like I said, just go and tap on next. If you don't have everything filled out, you're not going to be able to tap on next. So there you go, tap on next. Then on your next screen, you're going to see this. Do you teach or work in a school? If you do, tap on yes. If you don't, if you're just a parent, tap on no. Most likely you are a parent if you're watching this. Keep in mind, if you homeschool, you can also tap on yes. So right now we're going to see grades of interest. So you have to choose your grades. So for me, it's kindergarten and also pre-K. Down here below, communication, English or French or both. Then down here, if you guys want basically junk mail from them, you guys can click on yes. I'm gonna leave with a check mark off in that case. And then you do have to agree with their policy. So just leave a check mark there. Then go ahead and press on submit. And then right here, they're going to ask you to tap on yes or no. I'm going to tap on no. And that's it. You have created your account. So you can just tap on close. Once you have done so, you should be getting an email. And then once again, sign in on the top right hand side. You guys are going to see sign in. Make sure to sign in. So as you try to sign in, it's going to tell you to please activate your account. So go ahead and tap on activate your account. All right. So then finally, they're going to send you an email so you guys can activate your account. So right here, it's going to say activate your account. Go into your email right now and click on the link. Obviously on the bottom, make sure to tap on next. And then they should have sent you that email that we were talking about. If you don't get any, just tap on recent link and always check your junk mail just in case it went there. All right, so once you guys have confirmed and activated your account, now you have to sign in. So on the top right hand side, you guys can see sign in. By the way, if you're having any issues, you're not getting that email, you guys can just contact customer service and they will do it for you and activate. Just make sure to mention your whole name and do it from the email that you made this account with. So we're going to go on and sign in. And now that you signed in, on the top right hand side, you guys are going to see class code. That's going to be popping up right away. So this is the time where you guys have to ask the teacher what the class code is. So most likely it's on the magazine that they gave you, Scholastic magazine, where you guys get to see all the books that you may want to purchase. There's your class code on the top left hand side of that magazine, okay? And there's going to be the due date as well. So the one that I have is something like so, and then just press on apply. All right, so once you have done so, you guys can go on and search by keyword, title, or author, or if you guys have the number. So if you guys have a magazine, most likely you have a number already for the books that you want or packages that you want. So in this case, we had a pack that we saw the code for. So it's in the magazine. It's in white. And then we can just see what that pack is. So here it is. It's 10 books. You can have a quick look at it. And it's going to tell you how much it is. So you can even gift to class, by the way. It doesn't have to be for you. You can just gift it to the class. So right now what we're going to do is just have a quick look. Under quick look, we're going to see what it is. But obviously you have to choose view full product details to see the whole thing. So that's what we're going to do. All right. So once you select what you want, just go ahead and add to cart. So we're going to just add it to our cart. You can review your cart at any point in time. However, if you want to keep shopping, just keep putting codes or keep looking at more books that you might like. All right, so once you're ready, go on the top right hand side. You're going to see your cart. All right, so once you go to checkout, just scroll down, see that everything is there that you wanted. Make sure the prices are right. And then on the right hand side, you guys should see, or I should say in the middle, you should see proceed to checkout. So just tap there, proceed to checkout. All right, so as you scroll down, just information, just make sure your class code is fine and all that. You will see that ship to school is free. So you can enter your child's name. So that's down here. So just make sure to enter that. Then just scroll all the way down. And finally, we can proceed to payment. At this point in time, if you have any coupon codes, this is the time to enter them. Sadly, I don't have any for you at this point in time. hopefully in other videos. And we got a few ways to go ahead and pay: PayPal, credit card, or book fare, Scholastic dollars, which is very interesting. Anyways, we're gonna go on and just choose whichever one applies to you or whichever one you feel most comfortable. Obviously, PayPal would be the safest way to do this, but Scholastic is pretty well known, so I don't think you have to be worried about that. You guys can go on and just use your credit card if you like. But anyways, if you guys decided to use a credit card, just putting that information, tap on Use Credit Card. Once you've done so, just scroll all the way down once again and tap on Review Order. Once you tap on Review Order, just scroll all the way down once again, make sure everything's okay, and press on Submit Order. And that's it. This is the very last page you should see where it says thank you for your purchase. You should be getting an email, and that would be it. You guys can take a screenshot of this just in case, your very last page. But again, you should be getting an email. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.